Worried about keeping your home clean and your family safe? Tired of searching for cleaners in shops or using cleaning chemicals that cost you money? Meet the Cleanica 360 Steam Cleaning System, a new way to tackle dirt, grease, and grime, while killing 99.9% of germs, bacteria, and viruses. And all you need is pure, powerful steam.
Anyone can come into my home and touch anything and not worry about that they're going to get contaminated.
It's just steam, water, it kills viruses, germs. Just think it's absolutely brilliant.
I get to sanitize everything from the faucets to the sink to the stove, the microwave. I love how it cleans and kills the germs.
It's lightweight, it's easy to use, it gets rid of the germs, you don't use chemicals, and it's saving me money.
The Cleanica 360 is a lightweight, easy-to-use, cost-effective way to clean and sanitize your entire home using the power of hot steam. Cleanica 360 steams at up to 135 degrees. It's a chemical-free way to unleash the power of Mother Nature against grease and grime, while tackling germs, bacteria, and viruses on all types of surfaces. Use the Cleanica steamer on your floors. It wipes out up to 99.9% of germs and viruses on all your hard surfaces. Get ready for a real cleaning solution. Order yours now.